Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Now in today's video we're going to be going over how you can make $5,000 this month with OnlyFans with just a small audience. All right, this is very achievable providing you put these steps in place and you focus on the fundamentals that I'm going to be talking about in this video. Now, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Ethan Bayless. I'm the founder of Altrisk, which is an OnlyFans agency where we help creators earn more while working less. If you want to book in a call with myself, you can do it via our website at altrisk.co.uk. And then if you're interested in starting your very own OnlyFans agency and scaling it past 30k plus per month, make sure you book in a call with me down below. The link for that will be in the description too. So let's get back into this video. Now, there's 3 dependencies to focus on when it comes to making $5,000 in a single month, okay? Now, the first is attention, okay? You're gonna need to get lots of eyeballs, okay? So attention is essentially how many eyeballs are you getting to your OnlyFans page, okay? The second dependency is conversion. Now, that is how many of these eyeballs are actually converting into fans and customers, okay? Then the third and final dependency to focus on is value, and that's how much these fans / customers are willing to actually spend on you, because you know all of these elements are essential in your success on OnlyFans. So if you're going in your first month and you want to make $5,000, you're going to need 3 of these elements working seamlessly together. So you're going to need to get a lot of attention to your OnlyFans page. You're going to need to be able to get high conversion rates from this attention to turning them into fans as customers. And then you're also going to be needing these fans as customers to be spending a lot of money on you. Okay, cool. Now that we've covered that, let's get into assessing attention. So attention is a vital metric when it comes to making money with OnlyFans, because we live in an attention economy, and this attention can be seen as a building block for your OnlyFans business. You know, without any attention, you know, you could have the best OnlyFans going, you could have the best page ever, which beats all these other creators. However, if you haven't got any attention going towards this page, you know, you're going to be stuck at 0, okay? So attention is an essential ingredient, okay? So many people misjudge the amount of attention they actually have. They consider followers as an indicator of attention. However, it's much better to actually look at the reach. Okay, now you can see your reach metric on your OnlyFans statistics page, and you know it will give you an accurate number of how many people your account is reaching on a daily basis. So you can go into the statistics tab, go to the reach, and you'll be able to see exactly how many people your OnlyFans page is being exposed to on a daily basis. Okay, now this is a much better metric when it comes to assessing attention rather than followers, because you could have loads of followers but 0 of them are actually interested in doing anything when it comes to OnlyFans. So you know that's a useless audience. Okay, so this metric, as I said, is a better judgment of how many targeted people your account is exposed to. Okay, cool. Now let's reverse engineer conversion. Okay, so we know that having more reach is going to equal more subscribers, as you know that's just a matter of basic logic. Okay, and let's say for every 1,000 reach we get 10 subscribers. Okay, cool. So we now know if we get 2,000 reach, we're going to be getting 20 subscribers. You know, there may be a little bit of a drop off because nothing scales perfectly. However, you know, we know approximately we're going to be getting around 20 subscribers for 2,000 reach. Cool, that's great. But now the question we should be asking is, how can we go about increasing the value of our reach so that for every 1,000 reach, we get 20 subscribers? That's increasing conversion, okay? Well, we can do this by crafting different types of content on social media. Because, you know, if we get 1,000 reach and get 20 subscribers, then if we put in the effort to increase that reach to 2,000, that's going to be worth 40 subscribers or approximately. You know, so that's a lot better than 20 subscribers for the same amount of effort, okay? That's why conversion rates are very important when it comes to the actual quality of the audience you're getting from your social medias. Okay, so for example, sorry, I skipped the page there. So you need to create 2 archetypes of content on social media. Okay, so the first is content that gets reach. Okay, the second is content that builds relationships. Okay, now the reason you need to do this is because, you know, it's all well and good getting tons of reach, but if the reach is just low quality views, then essentially it's useless, because these views don't really mean anything. So it's important to create content that gets a ton of reach, because you know that is an essential ingredient. And then you're also going to want to create content that builds a relationship with the reach that you just got. So for example, as I was showing on this slide, you know, you can make content that gets reach would be, you know, a cute little reel of yourself paired with a trendy sound. You know, if that video is cute and engaging, that's going to be the type of video that goes out and gets tons of reach, because the algorithm is going to push it out. Okay, cool. Then we need content that builds relationships. So that could be, you know, a photo of yourself paired with a long in-depth caption joking about a particular topic. If you're on Instagram, you know, if you're on TikTok, it could be a live stream, or, you know, it could be a photo of yourself paired with an engaging story that you experienced. Essentially, you just need to show off your personality. Show off your personality. People are going to automatically be drawn towards your personality. They're going to start sympathizing with you. They're going to start relating to you. They're going to have all these sorts of emotions, and it's the emotions that they have when they read these long in-depth captions and these long stories and these, you know, funny jokes, that is actually going to create them into a much more loyal fan, and it's actually going to make them more likely to convert, because they're going to be, you know, looking at your post on social media. They're going to be, you know, an active follower. Then eventually think, oh, I can actually see more of a content. Cool. So that's how that works. Now, let's have a look at content to create, to make money on OnlyFans. Okay. Now, the type of content you produce plays a major role in how much money your OnlyFans page is going to make. Because, you know, in general, I like to say the more creative and explicit your content is, the more money you're going to make in the long run. You know, for example, a regular nude is going to, you know, sell far less for much cheaper than an explicit sex tape. Okay. Now, also by adding intimacy in your content, in terms of creating content for specific high-paying subscribers, that will also help you earn a lot more money from OnlyFans. Now, I like to say the 80-20 rule. So you're going to find that 80% of your income from OnlyFans is actually going to be derived from 20% of your subscribers. So it's important that you focus on this 20%, you know, by adding, sending them over intimate content that's just for them. You know, you're going to build that relationship with them. You're going to keep on sending that content over. You're going to get more in-depth relationship. You're going to find out what type of content they like, and you're going to be able to make loads of money from that. So it's very important that you look after them top spenders. And, you know, creative and explicit content is always just going to perform better compared to just regular news, because they can see that stuff anywhere online for free. So it's important that you make your content a little bit quirky, a little bit explicit, a little bit fun, and that's just going to push them over the edge into actually paying money for your content. Cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching. You know, it's a short little video, but I hope you guys got a ton of value from it. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what other sort of content you want to see. And as I said, if you're interested in any of my services, make sure you check out the description below to find out more. I'll see you guys in the next video.